Hello, everyone. Welcome to Capital International.
I am introducing a new handicraft round urns box, the raw material used in urn Indian rosewood wood and also epoxy resin made by handcrafted. This urn box is made of high-quality epoxy, rosewood and mango wood. All things are original. Its color is dark brown, light golden and brown, and golden shaded brown. And it also includes a Lichtenberg design, which is made by very skilled workers, ensuring that your loved one's ashes are preserved with the utmost respect.